Network Entertainment.
Just because that you can afford it, it doesn't mean to say that you should buy it. Bakit? Let's talk about it.
Hi, I'm Chinkitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free. Teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Welcome again to Chink Positive. Affordability is not the basis why should you buy something or not. It's not about the capacity. It's all about if it's a necessity. So if you do not know the do's and don'ts, especially when it comes to spending your money, that is where the danger comes. Number one, yung parang sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, afford ko naman kaya ko naman. Alam mo, that sentence has convinced more people to overspend. Na yun nga, kaya ko naman pinag-ipunan ko naman yan Because honestly, this is the problem. When income grows, your spending grows. Agree? So, hindi ka na minsan nag-iisip Yung parang naging confident ka na iniisip mo, papasok ko naman pera Di ba? Kaya pwede ko nang gastusin to. But here's the quiet truth. Many people who say na kaya ko naman, in reality, hanggang ngayon wala pang ipon. Hanggang ngayon, lubog pa sa utang. Hanggang ngayon, wala pang nasa set ng mga priorities sa buhay. They're still living from paycheck to paycheck. At wala akong pinapatamaan. I'm just telling you the truth. Again, not because they lack income, but because they're spending faster than they're earning. Ika nga yung tinatawag nating lifestyle inflation. Again, affordability, kung afford mo yan, doesn't give you the permission. But permission without intention, ay nako, maniwala ka, it will lead to financial stress. Clarify lang natin between yung capacity and clarity. Yung capacity, yung answer one question, can I afford it? Diba? Kaya ko ba to? Yung clarity naman, tanungin mo lang sarili mo, priority ko ba to? Diba? So again, afford ko ba to? Priority ko ba to? So you can afford many things, pero pag sinasabi, hindi ko naman talaga priority yan, ba't mo bibilin? Diba? So maybe priority mo siya, Ngayon, kailangan mo ng sasakyan, priority mo. Pero afford mo ba? Pag hindi mo afford, wag mo rin bilhin. Nagigets mo? Kaya kailangan po, meron dalawang question Afford mo ba at priority mo? If these two questions are answered, okay, legit siya. So, again, babalik naman tayo. Pag bumibili ka ng isang bagay, diba, alamin mo kung ano ang tunay na dahilan. Don't buy it because you feel it. Don't buy it because you feel validated. Don't buy it because you feel that you have already arrived. Kasi kung yan ang feeling mo, ay nako, yung feeling na yan di magtatagal. So next time when you feel confident to buy something, again, ask yourself two questions. Number one, afford ko ba to? Number two, priority ko ba to? Kung hindi masagot ang dalawang question, nako, mag-isip-isip ka. So friend, financial maturity isn't about buying less. It's about choosing better. You don't lose freedom when you say no. As a matter of fact, you gain more because the money that you don't spend is money additionally earned. The money that you not spend is additionally saved. So before na gumastos ka ngayon, kailangan mag-isip ka mabuti. Ano yung two questions? Afford ko ba to? O priority ko ba ito? Sana natulungan po kayo ng episode na ito. And I just want to encourage you, if you find this podcast episode really helpful for you, don't hesitate to please subscribe and don't forget to share this episode. As I always remember, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive. Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.